alam niyo ba, may kwento ako sa camp. Okay? So, as in, sa sobrang stupid ko, naglalakad lang ako, and then when I suddenly turn around, you know, ang weird kasi it's like I don't stay at camp for like, if I didn't, it's like I didn't stay in that camp for a long time. So, when I was there, bigla akong gumanon ako. Tapos yung poste nandun, and I freaking hit my face, my hair so dang hard at the poste to the point like it hurts. Okay, it hurts, but then actually it didn't hurt as much as it looked like. So when I looked at the mirror, like ang lakas ng tunog it was like parang ganon. Tapos and then one of the key element staff, they looked at me, hala, bakit tumudugo? And I could feel it dripping na. And then I was like, huh? Tumudugo? Tapos nung nakita ko siya, hala, ang cool. Sabi kong ganun. Tapos, nung nalinis ko na siya, mayroon siyang parang hati na line. I was like, ala, ang cool. Kasi uso-uso dati yung parang badass, ganun. So, natuwa ako. Natuwa!